Hi guys, for today's reading, we are tapping into your energy and let's see kung anong nangyayari sa paligid mo ngayon. Okay, angels, ancestors, spirit guides. What's the energy around our collective? What's the main focus of this collective right now? Wait, may bumaliktad. Ayun. God eclipse. A truth temporarily hidden will soon be revealed in full light. Okay, so there will be a revelation. Then you got compass. You are being guided toward your true path. Trust your inner compass. Okay, so you are being aligned. And then you got the eye. So this is about vision, awareness, intuition. You see beyond appearances. Your intuition is sharp. So you guys might have something na marireveal sa inyo soon. Hindi natin alam kung kailan, but very soon, it will be revealed to you and it will guide you into your alignment. It will make you aware that you are being aligned to your higher self, to your inner compass. Okay? Eclipse, ano to? Ano tong marireveal sa'yo? Manipulation or self-betrayal, poisons or protection. So you got the serpent in reverse. So this hidden truth na hindi pa nare-reveal sa'yo right now, na i-reveal ng universe sa'yo, will be about um, deception. So you might, there might be something na about a betrayal na nangyari in your life that is being hidden from you and which will be revealed to you in divine timing. Okay. Oops. Okay, so nahulog to, circle, under the compass. So, wholeness, unity, integration, and completion. So, itong marireveal sa'yo, it will bring you into alignment with yourself, with your wholeness. Okay? Healing brings you back to yourself. You are whole. So, itong malalaman mo ngayon, or soon, marireveal sa'yo ng universe will help you be guided towards yourself, towards your inner unity. Okay? Ooh, we got two. Okay, for the eye, you got poison in reverse and moon. Okay, let's see. Let's read it. So, poison in reverse. Ignoring poison lets it fester. Denial makes it stronger. So, this is about toxicity or negativity in your energetic surroundings, your environment. And next, we got the moon. So, the moon, intuition whispers what logic cannot grasp. Trust your inner knowing. So, itong I and the moon is about intuition, um, and making you aware of this toxic, energy around your, environment. Okay, so now, I'll get one more oracle deck. Okay, so I got the Citadel archetypal oracle. So this is about what's your archetype? Anong klase ka bang tao? And why is this in your energetic surroundings, your environment right now? Okay. So you got the king, the walker. One more please. And okay, you got two. Ayan. Sige, tingnan natin. Anong klase ka bang person? Let's see, what's your archetype? So we got the king, the walker, the herald, and the adventurer. And then I'll read it from the deck. Okay. The king is a reminder that taking things for granted can cause irreparable mistakes. Now is the ideal time to practice awareness and value the benefits that come from working at a problem. Even if you think you already know the answer, Don't dismiss the wisdom of those who try to show you a new way of working out a solution. So the king is a gifted child. Okay? Power celebration honors. From a young age, the king has always found that things come easily to them. But there is a catch to being a gifted child. They have never learned the value of hard work, and therein lies their downfall. Okay? So they sit proud and indomitable, unaware that the moment their fate changes, they may not be so prepared to handle a shift in fortunes. Okay. So you are in control of your life. Okay, next we got the walker. The walker is bound to an eternity of journeys. The walker constantly seeks new experiences and the unknowing nature of transition, an air of sadness over their heels. Okay, whatever they're searching for or whatever they're running from, they haven't found their answer yet. A sense of regret seems to be coloring everything lately, sucking away the joy of the journey. Perhaps you have been forced to leave something behind in order to move forward, or maybe it's the result of circumstances beyond your control. Whatever it is, this pain is necessary to a point. Rather than wallowing in this self punishment, shed that regret and move on. Okay, so you may be experiencing this, but this pain, this unknown, this uncertainty that you are experiencing right now is something that is necessary for you na pagdaanan. Okay? And siguro all your life na you are in control, and right now na there's something uncertain na nangyari sa life mo. You may feel lost, but this is an important part of your journey. Okay, trust in your own journey and learn to trust your intuition. Okay, next we got the Herald. So, small regrets, longing, nimble hands pluck at the strings of a lute, and fragrant smoke curls from beneath the wide brim of a hat. The herald exudes an easy sort of charm that draws others to them as they play their tune. But beneath the smile and easy laugh, there is an undercurrent of melancholy. They think back to the day that their life changed, to the flowers on the hillsides, the hares in the grass, the guard waiting in ambush. Would their fate have been different had they taken a different path back then, or would it still have turned out the same way? It's easy to get caught up in the what ifs, but if you go forward holding on to all of those little regrets, you're going to miss out on the pleasures of the moment. Be your own herald of change and bring something new and more positive into your life. Don't let the force of your own feelings separate you from finding joy in the path you're now on. Okay, so you might have longing, you might have these small regrets kasi nga you are experiencing the journey of the unknown, this uncertainty right now, and all your life sanay ka sa control, sanay ka sa na hawak mo yung life mo, yung mga choices na you are very high and mighty. Alam mo yung ginagawa mo before, and now you are faced with this uncertainties in life. And now you are also holding on to this small regrets, etong longing mo na natapos na. And you are still holding on to the what ifs sa mga nangyari sa'yo. Okay, and lastly, we got the adventurer. This is about responsibility and expectations. So let's see what this is saying about you. Okay, they must step out of their safe zone, become a part of something larger. But are they ready? The adventurer never wanted more than their small life, and the fear of failure is crippling. Somehow you ended up in a position in which the weight of expectation is heavier than you wanted. Unwanted responsibility is a heavy burden, and there are plenty of people waiting for you to fail. But there are just as many waiting to catch and help you. Don't try to face it alone. Ask for help. Break the task down into smaller parts and take it day by day or even hour by hour if you need to. There's no greater achievement than proving your naysayers wrong. Okay, so you are very strong in this journey. So, ngayon na nararanasan mo tong phase of your life na filled with uncertainty and filled with regrets and filled with what ifs kasi nga hindi naman natin alam kung ano yung nasa harapan natin. The path, yung saying nga na the path is being visible to you as you walk along the path. So, hindi mo siya nakikita ng malayo. Kung nasaan ka, unti-unti lang siyang nag-unfold, yung path mo. And this adventure is saying na you don't have to face it alone. You can ask for help kasi nga you are carrying so much responsibilities and expectations from yourself and from others. And now, na yun nga dahil nga nasanay ka all your life na you are in control of everything. So now nawala ka ng control sa mga nangyayari sa life mo. You feel lost. Okay? So, if that's not you, then this is not your reading. So now let's get some tarot cards. Spiritual guidance, please, for this collective, for our TikTok collective. Okay, let's see. You got the Six of Cups in reverse. Okay. So I feel that this Six of Cups is the longing that you are still holding on to. The what ifs. What if ganito yung ginawa ko before? What if hindi ko to ginawa? What if ganito? What if ganyan? Magbabago ba yung nangyayari sa akin ngayon? You are revisiting the past. Okay, you are remembering kung ano yung mga nangyari before. You also got the Hanged Man. Okay, so this is about the Hanged Man in reverse. Okay, this is about resisting surrender. You are delaying your change. You are resisting letting go of control. You are still holding on you are still holding on. Ito nga sa mga nangyari sa before. Okay? Okay, and we got the Devil in reverse. So this is about unhealthy patterns. Okay, so so you may have experienced physical and emotional abuse from others or from yourself. You may have karmic connections, toxic connections, toxic relationships, codependency issues, codependency from your connections or the environment around you. So, ayan, based dun sa kanina, yung energy reading natin, you got a revelation about a betrayal. So, I feel na this is mostly about a toxic pattern. Ayan, unhealthy pattern for you na you need to let go of, na you need to surrender to the universe. Okay, Six of Cups. We got the Chariot in reverse. Okay, so you're stuck in the past right now. Paulit-ulit mong iniisip yung mga what ifs. Paulit-ulit mong iniisip kung what if binago mo yung ginawa mo before. And this type of mindset na you are currently in is being is getting you nowhere. Parang you feel stuck. It's a big challenge and an obstacle for you to get over with. 'Di ba? Pero yun nga, we got from the archetype, we got the adventure, and this is that card is saying na you don't have to face all of this alone. Ayan, and you are strong. Kaya mo tong lagpasan. And pag hindi mo pa pinrocess itong what ifs, if you don't surrender to the universe, you will be stuck. Hindi ka makakausad sa dapat mong puntahan. Okay? Hangman in reverse. Kasi if you don't surrender, you are just delaying change. You are just stalling kung ano man yung dapat na para sa'yo. Pag hindi mo tinanggap yung mga nangyayari sa'yo right now, if you keep controlling the outcome, what's meant for you will be delayed. Okay? And then, yeah, we got the Six of Wands. Victory is yours naman. Positive yung magiging, successful naman yung magiging outcome na to. So, why are you fearing surrender? Why are you afraid to let things be? Why are you afraid of letting go of this toxic patterns, these unhealthy patterns? If letting go means um, reaching a milestone, recognizing your growth and a successful outcome for you. Okay, and lastly, the devil in reverse. We got the Knight of Swords. Okay. So, etong mga patterns na to, etong unhealthy relationship connections, toxic environmental energies, toxic energies around you, negativity, dahil sa mga to, na hino-hold on mo pa din, ang dami nang dumadaang opportunities for you and somehow hindi mo to nakikita. Hindi mo sila napapansin. And these opportunities will bring you victory, success, recognition, confidence, okay? Pero yun nga, pinapalagpas mo lang tong mga energies na to. Itong opportunities for you to be better, opportunities for you to grow. Kasi nga, you are still holding on. You're still holding on to your past, to the what ifs, to the potential of the past. Okay? And it is keeping you stuck. Imbes na mapunta ka dun sa tamang path mo or sa direction papunta dun sa goal mo, you are having delays. You are having delays and you are missing so much opportunities because of holding on to the situation, um this toxic energies, this negative energies. And the only way, tulad nga na nakuha natin kanina, so yung cards natin, the only way for you, baliktad, the only way for you to get rid of this poison and to get rid of the harmful stuff, etong negativity around you, is for you to trust your intuition, for you to face your shadows, for you to come back to yourself, to come back into your true self. You are whole, you are enough, and you are very strong in this journey. Okay? Remember that you are the adventurer. Okay? You have been carrying so much of this na hindi mo naman dapat kinakarga. And now, all you have to do is accept, surrender. We got the Hanged Man. You need to surrender and see things from a new perspective for you to reach victory, success, and for you to have a better direction, for you to have kasi the chart is in reverse right now. So, parang you are stuck. So, for you to move forward, for you to have progress in life, you need to surrender everything and to stop holding on to the past, to the what ifs, and start accepting who you are. Okay, come back to yourself. Okay, so that is the cards for today. That's what the cards are saying for you. That's the message for you. You're very powerful. Okay, so now I'll get some numbers for you. We got 16 and 3, so the 16th of the 3rd. We got 3 and 19, so the 19th of the 3rd. So maybe very important yung March for this collective. And then we got ano ba to? 1 and 15. So 15th of the 1st. And then let's also get some initials. We got L, I-F-L-N. So we got two L's. And then we got H-E-I-R and E. Two E's. Ayan. So if this message resonated with you, let me know in the comments. And kayang-kaya mo yan. I will see you on the next reading, guys. Bye!